Do this medical-grade holistic facial infusion to improve wrinkles, acne, discoloration, rosacea, and prevent skin aging. Here is how. First thing I do, I wash my face with Purify. Then I use polish to exfoliate and prep my skin for the treatment step. I mix facial infusion formula with Infuse and apply with a brush that comes with facial infusion. I apply facial infusion all over the face and the neck and mist Infuse over the skin to better massage into the skin and help absorption. I use Copper Epic tool to enhance the product penetration by 30% and improve blood circulation. Reapply Infuse. An optional step, apply one of our clinical-grade organic masks recommended by our licensed esthetician for your skin type. Do this facial infusion once a month to keep your skin fit.